Now we're going to tackle the first of the links. So where it's got link name, now if you want to create the champagne fountain waterfall effect so that your business will grow to the full 7 levels, I've created the resource center as a center of resources that people can access. It's going to have lots and lots of tools, videos, documents, all of which are free. People can log in and use them whenever they want. So I would recommend that you use the resource center as one of the links on your site to ensure that your business will build on a geometric basis down the full 7 levels. So as a link name, you can now type in whatever you want. So if we put in vital resources to grow your business, and then the link in this link box, we're going to actually put the actual web address of the resource center. Now again, having got it open already, you can see in the browser box the address for the resource center. It's highlighted there, that's the full address. So again, what I'm going to do now is to copy it. So I'll put the cursor at the end, left click the mouse, and then drag it across the full address till it's all highlighted in blue. I'm then going to right click, and you can see the little menu comes out, and we're going to select copy. So I click on that. That has now copied the address. So if I now go back into our page we were working on, and I'm going to paste this link where it's got link URL. So I'll put the cursor in the box, so the cursor's flashing. It's now ready to take the address. If I right click and it throws out the menu, I'm going to select paste, and as soon as I paste it, it now puts the full address in that particular box. So if I now move down to preview, it now again produces the page. You can see the video we just put in, and this first link we've just created, vital resources to grow. Now that shows you we've got to shorten that title, which I'll do in a second, but just to click on to make sure it works, it now takes us to the resource center as a page which can actually be used. So now going back, we need to change that title. Now is too long, it's not, all of it's not showing. So if we now close the preview and back to this box, I'm now going to shorten the title to just resource center. So I've placed the cursor in the box, and now I'm going to get rid of the rest of the text. And now if I click preview, you can see it's now been shortened to just vital resources, which now again, if we click on, it takes us to the resource center page. So that's one link, and I'm just going to demonstrate now how to do another link. So I think when people are looking at a business, one of the questions going around in their head is actually, will it work or does it work? So it's a good idea to show people that it does work. So if we put now, here's the link name, just a rhetorical question, does it work? Question mark. Now you can put in anything you want as the link name. That will actually show up as the title of your link. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the business manager. Let me go to business manager, and what I'm now going to do is to go into this icon, which is BWB News. Now BWB News It's a magazine that Better Web Builder produces. It's produced every month. It's got up-to-date figures on, up-to-date topics. It will help you grow your business. And on the top here you can actually see there's some selection boxes, but going to speak up, this page has actually got testimonials from people all around the world of different backgrounds actually using the Better Web Builder system. And it's good to show people that there are lots of people from different backgrounds using it. What I'm going to do is I need to select the web address for this page. So again, you can see in the browser box at the top, right at the top of the screen, that's the web address that we need to copy. So again, I put the cursor in that box and highlight it. So now it's all highlighted. Right click and copy. So that now has copied that address. And now back to the link that we want to use. So underneath where it's got does it work, we're now going to paste in that address we've just copied. So right click, select paste. It now copies that full address into that box, and then to check it we can go to preview. It creates the page and you can see now it's got does it work. That's the link we've just created. If I click on it, it then takes you to that Better Web Builder testimonial page. So you can see that's already set now as a link. And that's exactly how you set any link that you wish to set, by just selecting whatever address is in this browser box.